smile. Can we move on as before? I could wait for
Hello everyone and welcome back. It was kids' vacation and we went back home for a few days to spend time with our parents. While going is exciting, coming back from parents' home is the toughest job. And you know what is even tougher? Getting back to work. Because surprisingly, it takes no time to get spoiled by parents at home, even today. And so coming back and doing things on your own feels tough. But then reality hits and you realize that you are a parent yourself now. So बस आयोडेक्स मलिए और काम पर चलिए.
they wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a view.
Back at home, mom made me this amazing paneer corn sandwich and I realized why I never thought about combining the two. So I decided to add my flavors and prepare this super amazing sandwich today. While the sandwich mix is great, what takes this sandwich to another level is this quick and healthy sandwich spread that I added. Trust me, even if you don't wish to make this sandwich, just make this quick spread and keep it in the fridge, which will last you for 4 good days easily. For this, add 4 to 5 garlic pods, 1 green chili, 1 cube of cheese, around 50 grams of paneer, and herbs of your choice in a blending jar. I am using coriander leaves along with the stems for maximum flavor. Now add some simple spices like black pepper powder, salt, and 1 tablespoon curd to bring the spread-like consistency. You can also add a few teaspoons of water if needed. And your homemade, super healthy, delicious, and 10 times better than store-bought sandwich spread is ready. You can use it as your salad dressing or on your wraps or as a sandwich spread like I will do now. So the next step is making the sandwich filling, and for that I had chopped some onions, capsicums and tomatoes and kept them aside. Now I'll take some frozen corns. These are my new freezer space saving airtight containers and I'm really happy with this purchase. Linking them below in case you wish to buy them too. Now I'll take some paneer and a small piece of cheese and finely chop everything along with the coriander. I am doing it with a knife, but you can use a chopper too. This sandwich mix is so tasty that you can eat it as it is like a salad too. Just add some bigger chunks of cucumber or other veggies, some salad leaves, and a generous dollop of the spread that we just made. Now in the mix, I'll add some black pepper, salt, red chili flakes, and some pizza seasonings and give it a good mix. Now the only thing left is making and toasting the sandwiches. To be honest, whenever I try to pull myself up, I kind of spend more time in the kitchen. I'll try new recipes or improve the old ones, organize my kitchen, bring some small changes, and I see a sudden shift in my mood. By the time I'm doing all this, the normalcy hits well, and in no time, I feel back into the business. So, all in all, I don't need a paradigm shift to feel good. Just ditching overthinking and quietly minding regular business helps in pulling my socks up. Does this work for you too? Or how do you bring yourself back to regular life after a long vacation? Let me know in the comments. And while we are pulling each other up, our delicious sandwich is ready. I think this is by far my best sandwich recipe and everyone should try this. I am warning you that this one is very addictive, so make it at your own risk.
We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were
Dhaire doesn't enjoy sandwiches, so this one is for me and Ruthvi to enjoy. A crispy sandwich with a flavorful salad is a perfect way to start the day.
like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh.
While kids were at grandparents' home, I bought them this puzzle which they have been enjoying ever since. I like this basic concept where kids are enjoying while learning something alongside. And after seeing them involved in this puzzle so much, I realized how much a puzzle keeps kids busy. And they really enjoy them a lot. I have a few good puzzle recommendations that I'll link below. You can give them a try for your kids too.
China is in middle, India is down, so that when you find that puzzle, this is Canada. So you will know that Canada is this side, either end.
Yes, there was a lot of work pending, but I also sat down with the kids for some time to steal some moments of joy. They were also missing being with their grandparents, so my little company lifted their moods too.
So when you know this, na, then it becomes easier.
Blue 50. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm able to try so many.
ये key क्या है? Where is this key?
This E, wait.
देखो यहाँ पे लिखा Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal किधर है? इंडिया के पास में है. Indian Ocean के.
Since the momentum started, I decided to do some meal prepping. But trust me, the heat is so bad that I gave in at the beginning of it. Although I had soaked a rice and lentil mix last night to prepare the dosa batter, so started grinding that first.
And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
One of you asked me about my review for NutriBullet. Well, honestly, I really like this machine. It grinds everything super fast and super effectively. As you can see, the whole rice and dal mix turned into batter in 5 seconds. It shows the motor is very powerful and it has not given me any complex repair issues so far. It's been 5 years using it and it's doing very good. But there is just one issue that kind of bothers me. Since the jar is plastic, I get conscious about breakage. I'm sure replacements are available, but obviously they come with an additional cost. Also, since the jar size is comparatively large as compared to our normal mixer grinding jars, there is difficulty in grinding small quantities. If that is something you are not worried about, you can definitely make the best use of this mixer.
Yeah. But ये पूरा इधर ही बहुत
As I told you, I had plans to meal prep, but body and mind completely denied, and I chose to listen. Kids were still busy with their puzzle, and I think 15 to 20 minutes in a single activity for kids is a total win. Since the kitchen was the bottleneck, I decided to pick other chores instead. After coming back from vacation, I had a pile of my t shirts to iron. I hate ironing, and I think it's partly because Karthik takes over this job every single time. He irons clothes like a pro, and all my last minute ironing depends on him. But he's traveling at the moment, so I finish this mighty task with the help of some music. By the way, how's the weather in your city looking like? It's super hot here in Delhi, and I was dreading making lunch, but somebody's got to do it. So I decided to go for an utterly simple lunch menu of one pot Amritsari Matar Paneer Bhurji with Lachha Parantha. It's quick to make and just so wholesome. To make things quicker, I fine chopped onion, garlic, ginger, and green chili in a chopper.
Really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed?
Similarly, I fine chopped some tomatoes too.
And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
Amritsari Matar Paneer Bhurji comes with a bit of a gravy. So for the gravy base, I took some thick curd.
It really makes me wonder.
Into the curd went some basic spices like turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and garam masala powder, and I whisked everything well. Now in a pan, take 2 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon ghee. Add cumin seeds, bay leaf, hing, kasuri methi, and 1 teaspoon of besan.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep?
Mix and roast the besan, then add some more turmeric for a rich color.
I wonder.
Add the crushed onion mix and saute for 2 minutes till the onions turn translucent. Once done, add some boiled peas. The besan might stick to the base a bit, but it'll come off as soon as we add tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes, and once cooked, add the curd mix. Keep whisking this mixture till the oil separates from the gravy. My suggestion is to use a whisk for better mixing. that's it. As the gravy releases the oil, crush the paneer and add it in while mixing well. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cream or milk to make it rich in flavor. You can also add some hot water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. I like it thick, so I skip the water. Mix well, add chopped coriander, salt and black salt, and your Amritsari Matar Paneer Bhurji is ready to rock. I also made a desi style salad to add to the plate. Just chopped onion, tomatoes and cucumber mixed with salt and lemon juice. I wanted to add something extra to my lachha paratha, so I thought of making a simple spice mix for it. In a bowl, I added turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin seeds, salt, mint powder, kalonji, and some ghee to make a thick paste. Now the only thing left was rolling the chapati and cooking it. And just while I was doing that, Dhare came with his usual third world problem of finding out what's for lunch but not wanting to eat it.
खानी पड़ेगी ना पहले.
खत्म हो जाएगी तभी ठीक है.
Yes, that's the room.
फिर आपका खाना फिर खाना खत्म फिर खाना बनाना फिर खाना बन जाएगा.
खाना बन जाएगा तब तक. खाना बनने वाला है. खाना इज रेडी. दे दूं क्या अभी? नहीं.
I love crispy parathas, and the golden rule for that is to cook them with ghee on iron tawa. While the kids were busy throwing their food tantrums, I was drooling over this plate. I made some chas too, and my delicious lunch plate was ready. This style of paneer bhurji is so flavorful that once you try it, it's hard to go back to the regular one. I would definitely recommend you try this, especially when you don't wish to put in too much effort and still want to make something quick and satisfying. Dhare is at that age where he often leaves meal halfway and runs off to play. And with a half-filled stomach, there is constant nagging. So I prefer to feed him myself, making sure he's full for good 2 to 3 hours at least. Whereas Rutvi really enjoyed the bhurji and chas, and I was happy to see her finishing everything on her plate. After lunch, I took a break and gathered myself to enter the kitchen again. Kids' school will be starting soon. So I decided to make a quick makhana cornflakes namkeen for them to snack on. Karthik also enjoys this a lot and like taking it in his tiffin box. And it's a great snacking option for movie nights too. So this namkeen is a must have in my house. I started by roasting the makhanas till they turned crispy. Then I added some bhel because I also make a quick bhel puri with this namkeen by just adding onion, tomatoes, cucumbers and chutneys. It becomes a great shortcut. Next, I roasted the cornflakes for around 30 seconds. This namkeen is a great way to add various nuts and seeds, and trust me, kids eat them without any friction. I sliced the nuts in half to make them easier to eat. For flavoring, I use curry leaves and green chilies. Next, in the spices, I added some salt, red chili powder, turmeric, chaat masala, amchur powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. Everything was done and now it was time to assemble. In 1 teaspoon oil, I sauteed the curry leaves and green chilies till they turned crispy. Then I added the nuts and roasted them too. Once done, I added all the dry spices along with jaggery. A quick stir and I immediately added all the roasted items and then mixed everything, and our healthy snack was ready. Make sure you taste it and adjust the spices while this namkeen is hot. My kids love this crunchy, sweet and spicy snack, and it literally takes just 10 minutes to prepare. I was happy to be able to finish the day on a bit of a productive note. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel to motivate me. You can also join me on Instagram for little glimpses of my daily life, and don't forget to share your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. I can't wait to chit chat with you. See you all in the next vlog very soon.